Exact value of trigonometric expressions. Evaluate exact value of secant 4 pi by 3 times sine 11 pi by 3 times tan minus 5 pi by 6. I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video I will show you the technique of doing it. We actually follow three simple steps. The first step is figure out in which quadrant you are. So we'll do individually for all three of them. Since I'm explaining, I may take a bit longer, but doesn't really take that much of time, right? So these are my three coordinate planes, and we are trying to figure out what it means by 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 means we divide the pi in 3 portions, the other pi also in 3, so 2 pi is in 6 portions. When I say 4 pi by 3, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So with the initial arm there, terminal arm is right there, right? So we are in quadrant 3. Secant is negative in quadrant 3. Since you know the cast rule, right? C-A-S-T, and you know you are negative. So we can write this expression as equal to, well, let me write here itself. We'll write secant minus, and we see the related acute angle, which is pi by 3 here, right? The angle which the terminal arm makes with the horizontal, it is pi by 3, correct? So it is pi plus pi by 3 gives you 4 pi by 3, right? So you could also write like that, pi plus pi by 3 and then secant pi by 3. Since you are in quadrant 3, it is negative. So that is the first term. The second term, sine 11 pi by 3. So that really means that pi is divided into 3 portions, just as we did there, right? So 3 portions, right? So we quickly divide it like this. 11 means what? 11 means 3 and 3 is 6, 6 and 3 9, and 9, 10 and 11. That is 11 pi by 3. 12 will complete the circle, right? So it is 11 pi by 3. Now here the related acute angle is how much? Pi by 3 is the acute angle, right? Since you are in quadrant 4, sine is negative, so we get negative sine of acute angle pi by 3. So that is the second term. Now we'll look into tan minus 5 pi by 6. When we say minus, that means we are moving clockwise, correct? In this case, pi divided into 6 portions, 5 is 1 less than 6, so we are here, right? So quickly you can find, and related acute angle will be, as you know, pi by 6, right? So this angle is pi by 6 for us, correct? Tan is positive here, right? Now this means we are moving from here to this place, land in quadrant 3. Tan is positive, so we could write this as tan of acute angle pi by 6. Do you see that? That is how you get. So you have, first step here is, let me make a note here. First step here is find related acute angle or reference angle. Do you understand? So reference angle for us is known here, and then you find quadrant. Quadrant gives you plus or minus sign, correct? Using the cast rule, correct? Use the cast rule, find quadrant. And third and final is special triangle. Now to find the exact value, we need to draw the exact special triangle. So we need one special triangle, and this one is pi by 3, 30, 60, 90, or pi by 3, pi by 6, pi by 2 triangle. Here the sides of this triangle are, hypotenuse is twice that of adjacent side, and this is square root 3. Now from here we can write down the exact values. Secant is reciprocal of cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 reciprocal of cos means 2 over 1, so we get minus 2, right? That is the first value. The second one is minus, sine is pi by 3, sine of pi by 3 opposite over hypotenuse, that means square root 3 over 2. And then we have tan of pi by 6. Looking from here, opposite is 1, adjacent is square root 3. So 1 over square root 3. So that is what we get. This can be simplified. We can cross out 2's and square root 3's. What do we get? Minus times minus is plus 1. So we get 1 as our answer. So the answer for this expression is 1. And that is how we can solve it. I hope that is clear. Thank you and all the best.